That's the opening to Secret Agent Man. And I kind of like the way it rings, the way I'm keeping the E string sustained. It's still... Now, before we look at the tab, just know that it's the 4th fret on the G string, and then you play open E. Then the 5th fret of the G string, and you play that twice. Then the 6th fret, and you play the 5th twice, and then the 4th. So your fingers are really just doing this. But you add the open E as kind of a drone. Let's look at the tab. So I have this now on, we're looking at the Canvas page. This is the downloads with Secret Agent Man. And at the top, you have the 4, 5, 5, 6, 5, 5. And it's playing the open E. Now I'm using a pick. I am using a pick. And I'm using fingers 1, 2, and 3. You could use fingers 2, 3, and 4. Thanks to these finger exercises we've been doing, hopefully your 4th finger is agile enough to do that. But to play it safe, you might do 1, 2, and 3. Now you're going to take this slow. So it's the 4th fret of the G, then the 5th fret, twice, the 6th fret, back to the 5th fret, twice, and I would keep the fingers down. I would get into the habit of holding them down, because you're just going to release them. You add them. Start slow and then start to build up. So you're going to take it. Now this actually predates the James Bond. Predates. This came first before the James Bond theme. That's amazing. It's the half steps. The half steps that make that spy espionage, that overcoat, you know, and dark alleys. The music kind of blends. It's also what John Williams did with Jaws. Kind of uneasy, kind of a nervous sound. But this one, I would suggest you play it. Take it slow. And you're using the pick down on the note. Upstroke on the open E. So it's very fluid. It's down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yes, and this is my Peavey. This is a 1980 model. This is all they made. Peavey still makes guitars, and they still make amps. It's down in the South, I believe Georgia. And the guy's still around, Peavey himself. This was the only guitar they made that year. It's actually a 3/4 size. I like it. It's easy to play. It's got a very fast neck. And for this song, I thought it was needed. Have fun, students.